How do I insert a column at a specific column index in Pandas? Can I insert a column at a specific column index in Pandas? This will put column n as the last column of df, but isn't there a way to tell df to put n at the beginning?
See docs, this URL. Using lock equals 0 will insert at the beginning.
If you want a single value for all rows, edit. You can also
This will work if there is no other column with the same name. If a column with your provided name already exists in the data frame, it will raise a value error. You can pass an optional parameter allow _ duplicates with true value to create a new column with already existing column name. Here is an example.
You could try to extract columns as list, massage this as you want, and reindex your data frame. Edit. This can be done in one line, however, this looks a bit ugly. Maybe some cleaner proposal may come.
A general 4-line routine. You can have the following 4-line routine whenever you want to create a new column and insert into a specific location block. In your example, it is simple.